Okay, so now I've got the brute hangers in. I've got this good end cap on. We've got our good sealant. Let me get that a bit higher. So when this dries, this sealant, it is hard. Okay, so check this out. Just with the, just with the brute hangers on, look how much more rigid that is. That's not even with the Spartan Guard on. So once the Spartan Guard is on, this thing is going to be tight. Tight. So I'll show you that after. I've still got to screw this in. We fabricated, because that was an old way to do it. We like those oval holes, but they already had the hole here. And the way they did this B elbow, typically we would like to cut it like that, but that would cause us to have to change the whole thing. So yeah, this thing is, I'm going to keep this for my personal Spartan museum. This is interesting. It's a bean can from the Civil War. I'm certain of it. Okay, well, I'll show you the after here.